Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back. I'm so glad to have you back once again. It's going to be another session of health talk. Today I will be talking on how to get a smooth skin through healthy living. So keep watching. Hi guys, you are welcome back. Today I'll be talking on how to get a smooth skin through healthy living. The texture of your skin is affected by external factors such as pollution and skincare products, and internal factors like your well-being and diet. There are also normal changes that are age related. The first is stay hydrated. It is very vital to drink a sufficient amount of water daily for overall good health, as water helps in digestion, circulation, absorption, and even excretion. What if you drink a large amount of water for healthy skin? It has been claimed that drinking water gives you a bright, healthy, young looking complexion, although others say it has little effect on the appearance of the skin. Now, the question is, which one is true? The truth is, the skin is an organ, much as every other part of the body. Your skin is composed of cells, like every other cells in the body are composed of water. Without water, the organs will certainly not work properly or at their best. When your skin does not get enough water, the absence of hydration will occur by turning your skin dry, tight, and flaky. Dry skin has less resilience and is more likely to wrinkles. The next is to eat food that are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are nutrients that can help reduce and restore damage to the body's issue. If you want smooth and healthy skin without hundreds of chemical-laden products, adopt diets rich in antioxidants. Including the right antioxidants to your diet and to your skincare regimen will have a favorable effect on your skin. Such foods include leafy greens, orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, and fish such as salmon. The next is exercising. Increased blood circulation during exercise helps the speedy delivery of organ and nutrients to the skin cells and tissues. This enhances collagen production and glowing skin. A regular fitness routine can improve your overall appearance. The next is for you to get enough sleep. Sleep is a meal for your brain, body, and skin. And if you don't get enough of it, you deprive each the nourishment. When you get up from sleep, you will feel refreshed and able to think more clearly. It also gives your skin a glowing look. Through sleep, the body rests and transforms by removing and replacing dead cells, including the skin and blood cells. More sleep also reduces the stress hormone level of cortisol, which causes free radical damage to the skin and other structures of the body, increased blood flow, and reduced sunspots and wrinkles. The next one is for you to protect yourself against the influence of the sun. Staying out of the sun is the best way to avoid sun damage. Sunburn is the immediate damage of too much sun. With repeated sun damage, the skin begins to look dry, wrinkled, discolored, and leathery. Although the skin appears to be thicker, it has actually been weakened, and as a result, it will bruise more easily. Apply a sunscreen, reduce your time in the sun, and wear a protective clothing. When UV rays penetrate the skin cells, they disrupt delicate processes that influence the growth and appearance of the skin. The next one is do not smoke. Internal and external exposure to tobacco smoke and wrinkles and a higher risk of skin disorders, which include acne and other skin problems. It also affects the ability of your skin to heal itself. Stopping smoking can be tough, but a specialist will help you plan out a quitting strategy that will be right for you. The next is for you to take less alcohol. Alcohol intake has been related to skin photo damage, which is caused by sunlight. Too much of alcohol consumption may also cause dehydration, which causes dry skin and premature aging. Limit your drinks to once per day to reduce the effect of alcohol on your body and skin. Here are some home remedies that can help you improve the health of the skin for a smoother appearance. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural defoliator that also have bioactive properties that may be useful in the treatment of a variety of skin disorders and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is an important moisturizer with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that may also help to treat other inflammatory skin conditions. Since pores can be clogged, it is best to reduce their use to the body. 3. Essential oils. When you dilute some of these essential oils with carrier oil, it can be applied to the skin to reduce wrinkles and to cure some amount of skin problems. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be properly notified. Thank you once again, and bye guys.